Clothes on the floor, toys on the bed. Time to clean up, that's what Mom said. Pick it up, put it away. Let's make it shiny today. Clean, 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 hooray! Feels so good this way. When my room is neat and bright, everything feels right. Books on the shelf, shoes by the wall. Now I can see my room and I'll sweep the dust, fold the sheet. Look, my room is clean and sweet. Clean, 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 hooray! Feels so good this way. When my room is neat and bright, everything feels right. When it's messy, I can't think. It's too much stuff in a blink. But when it's clean, my mind feels free. I'm calm, I'm happy, that's the key. Clean, 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 hooray! Feels so good this way. When my room is neat and bright, everything feels right. Clean room, happy me, neat and tidy, 1, 2, 3. Clean room, happy me, that's how I love to be.
Hey kids! Ask your parents to visit our website www.toonvideos4kids.com and sign up for your free kids activity pack today.